Good morning, kindergartners. Wonderful Wednesday. Do you know what's special about today? Today is Earth Day. And did you know that today is the 50th Earth Day since we've started having an Earth Day? Well, I thought we could start out with a fun greeting. So we're going to do an Earth greeting, and it's called an Earth hug. So the first thing you need to do is make a big circle above your head like this. Then you're going to bring your arms down and give yourself a big squeeze. All right, let's try an Earth hug today for a greeting. Ready? Did you feel the hug? I did. Well, let's go ahead and read our morning message, and I have a really fun project for you today. Today's date is April 22nd, 2020. Dear Earth Helpers, Happy Earth Day! You will have reading with Mrs. Feldkamp, math with Mrs. Coleman, and music with Dr. Webster. You will learn about the word reuse, and I brought the word with me on a board today, and I'm going to show you it. So here's the word reuse, and reuse means to use again or more than once. To use again or more than once. And today, your seesaw attendance post is to create something new from something old and post a comment about what you did, or send a picture, or you could even record a video telling me and showing me what you made. So reuse is really important to me. It's a great way that we can help our earth by not wasting things and using things again. And so I brought a picture of some of the things that you could look around your house for, like old cans or bottles or glasses or jugs or paper. So all you have to do is look around your house for something that you could use again. And you can ask mom or dad permission first before you take anything. I'm going to show you a few examples. Do you know who this is? You're right, it's the Queen of Seesaw. And I reused things that I already had to build her. I used a spoon, I reused an old cupcake liner, a coffee liner, an old headband piece that Eleanor doesn't wear anymore. So you could create a puppet out of something old. Another thing that Eleanor and I just made is this. It is a bird feeder, but can you tell what our bird feeder is made out of? It's something old. This used to be our gallon of milk, and all we did was take it, wash it out, cut a hole in it, and we even took a stick from outside and poked a hole, and then we added bird seed, and we're going to hang this out in our tree. So we created a bird feeder out of something old. Another thing I was going to show you is you could find a rock outside, and we just painted our rock into a ladybug. But some other easy things, you could look around your house. If you have a paper plate, you could turn it into a fan and decorate it. If you have any brown paper bags, you could draw some eyes and you could make a puppet that talks. So there's so many different things that you can do to make old things into new things. I hope that you have fun thinking about this. And remember, you have until tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So if you don't get it done by the end of the day, you could always post your picture tomorrow morning too for me. All right, let's go ahead and figure out who our student of the day is. Now, this student is a girl today, and this person has a lot of the same letters in her name. Her name begins with an L, and she has lots of L's in her name. She loves to read. She loves to dance and sing, and she's very good at math and reading and counting. And she also has very, very long blonde hair. Can you think about who it is? It's Liliana. So we're going to go ahead and write Liliana's name in the box. And her name starts with an L. So I'm going to write an uppercase L. Then she has an I. And then she has another L, sorry. Another I. And an A. And an N. And another A. So she has lots of L's in her name and some other letters that are the same. Let's go ahead and add up all the letters in Liliana's name by looking at the vowels first. Remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. All right, I see an I, so I'm going to circle the I. Oh, I see another I. I'm going to circle that one. Oh, she has an A, that's a vowel. N is not. Oh, there's another A, there's another vowel. Ooh, Liliana has lots of vowels in her name. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 vowels in Liliana's name. Then let's count the consonants. 1, 2, 3 consonants. So let's add up the letters in her name. She has 4 vowels and 3 consonants. Remember, it's okay if you want to use your fingers. So we're going to start at 4 and then we're going to count up. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Liliana has 7 letters in her name. All right, it's time to give Liliana her shout out of the day. So remember, when I count to 3, you're going to stand up and you're going to get all crazy and you're going to shout, "Good morning, Liliana. I hope you have a great day." And you can say whatever else you want to say to her. All right, are you guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Liliana. We hope you have a good day. We miss you and hope you have fun learning on Earth Day. Have a great day. Great job, boys and girls. All right, we're going to keep going. I hope Liliana has a fantastic day after that big shout out. All right, let's go to our calendar. Today is Earth Day. I see a picture of the Earth and arrows that tell us to help the Earth by reusing or recycling. Those are ways that we can help the Earth. We can also help the Earth by shutting the lights off, turning the water off, and making sure that TVs and iPads are turned off when we're not using them. We can save electricity and help the Earth. All right, let's look at what number is going to come today. Yesterday was 21, so now we're in the 20s. We have 20, 21, 22, and 22 is a fun number to write because we need 2 2's, just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and fill out the pattern. I'm going to go back to here. Let's go back to the chick. We have chick, cloud, egg, rabbit. Chick, cloud. We're going to put an egg on the Earth. They both are kind of round. All right, the last part is we're going to go ahead and move our arrows in the reading direction 1 space to the right. So I'm going to slide it, whoop, and whoop. All right, today is Wednesday, April 22nd. That means tomorrow will be Thursday. Yesterday, the day that came before Wednesday, was Tuesday. Great reading. All right. Next. I said that we could listen to a weather song today since it's Earth Day. But first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to graph the weather. All right, let's see. Today is kind of partly sunny and partly cloudy. So I'm actually going to put a little bit of sun and a little bit of clouds today, and that keeps our sun and cloudy days the same. All right, I'm going to go down here and we're going to click on one of our weather songs. Let's see, I think one of your favorite ones is down here. So I'm going to move our recorder up here and we'll try this one. I think you guys like this one. There might be a commercial that I have to kind of fast forward.
You don't really want your kids watching videos, but it can have some...
Here we go. You guys ready? Get ready for the silly part at the end. Remember the part we always laugh about.
How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny today.
Oh, I hope today is sunny for Earth Day.
How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's rainy. It's rainy today. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy today.
It's a little cloudy.
How's the weather? It's windy.
You have to go outside and see if it's windy today.
It's windy. How's the weather? It's windy.
What a silly chicken.
It's windy today.
And there's the pig.
How's the weather? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's snowy. It's snowy.
Okay, get ready for our favorite part. It comes fast. There he went. It was Santa sliding down the hill. How silly. Well, thanks for listening to that fun weather song. All right, next we're going to go to measuring our temperature today. And when I checked my phone this morning, it said that today is going to be 63 degrees for the high. So I'm going to write a 6 and a 3. Oh my goodness. All right, let's look at yesterday and Monday's temperature. We had 54, then 47, now 63. What is happening to our pattern? It's kind of going warm, then colder, then back to warm. So today we get to fill it all the way up to 63. So I'm going to count by tens, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 70 is too far. So I'm going to go about right here is about 63. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. Wow. Our temperature sure has been changing every day. So something that I can learn from April weather is that April weather really changes every day. It doesn't stay the same. All right, I'm going to go to our April tallies, and remember our poem goes 1, 2, 3, 4 standing tall, number 5 goes across them all. So I'm going to go ahead and look, I have 4 standing tall. That means today I get to make 5 go across them all. We can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Oh, looks like I need to change 14 to 15. I'm going to erase just the 4 because 15 starts with a 1. And I'm going to write a 5 in its place. So now we've come to school in April for 15 days. All right, our last part of our meeting is today we're going to count by 2s, but because our meeting has been kind of long today, I'm going to stop when we get to 50. You could always keep going at home and count to 100. So think of an exercise you can do. Make sure you have lots of space. Are you thinking about how your body's going to warm up your brain? Okay, count by 2s with me. Remember, counting by 2s is skip counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. And remember, you can keep going later if you want. Well, I am excited to see what you reuse today and show me a project you can make from something old. Have a great Earth Day. Oh, and by the way, I'm also going to send out some extra links for extra activities. They're not required, but if you want to check them out, there's some really fun Earth Day activities that I'll be sending out today. Have a great day.